Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down a concept that trips a lot of people up. What is a radian? We'll also learn how to convert between radians and degrees, and by the end, I promise you'll totally get it. Alright, let's start with the basics. You already know what a degree is. A full circle is 360 degrees. But in math, especially in trigonometry and calculus, we often use something called a radian instead. So, what is a radian? A radian is the angle made when the length of the arc is equal to the radius of the circle. Let me say that again. 1 radian is when the arc length is the same as the radius. Considering arc lengths, we can write that when the angle is 360 degrees, or for a full circle, the arc length is the circumference itself, which is 2 pi r. And by the above definition, when the angle is 1 radian, the arc length is the radius, or r. Taking these two into proportion, we can simply write 360 over 1 is the same as 2 pi r over r. R cancels off, and 2 cancels off with 360. So we have 180 degrees equals pi radians, the most important formula that defines the relationship between degrees and radians. We can easily convert between radians and degrees using this formula. Now let's look at some conversion examples. For converting degrees to radians, we can rearrange the previous formula as follows. Radians equals degrees times pi over 180. First, let's convert 45 degrees into radians. Simply plug into the formula. 45 times pi divided by 180. 4 45s and 180, so we have our answer. Pi over 4. Now, let's convert 150 degrees into radians. 150 times pi divided by 180. 150 and 180 nicely simplifies, leaving 5 and 6. We have the answer, 5 pi over 6. Now, for converting radians to degrees, we have the formula, degrees equals radians times 180 over pi. First, let's convert 2 pi over 3 radians into degrees. Plug into the formula, 2 pi over 3 times 180 divided by pi. Pi cancels off, and 3 simplifies with 180. We have 2 times 60. The answer is 120 degrees. Now, let's convert pi over 12 radians into degrees. Pi over 12 times 180 divided by pi. Pi cancels off, and there are 15 12s in 180. We have our answer, 15 degrees. Okay, that's it. I hope you learned about radians and cleared your doubts. See you soon with a new video. Have a great day.